Y'all, this is Jeff, Finley River Kennels. We are fixing to do Farm Truck Friday. We are in Jacksonville, Texas. Now you know how long does a thumbnail take.
That's good.
Alright, Panda Express. That is bright. Too bright.
Okay, well we're at Panda Express.
We're at Panda Express. Jacksonville, Texas. There's a young man there that helped us, waited on us. His name's Jacob. Jacob took care of us, did a real good job. So I want everybody, all my people, to go call Panda Express, Jacksonville, Texas. The phone number is 903-541-0338, and tell Jacob's boss that he is one hell of an employee and he took care of the customers really well. Jacob, Jacksonville, Texas, Panda Express. We're fixing to get into this video. My son, Anthony. Of course, y'all know me.
Hurry up, get in, make your cop ready.
Can you see me?
Hey, you can see you just fine.
Jeff, Finley River Kennels. We fixing to mukbang in the parking lot. Panda Express, Jacksonville, Texas.
How you gonna do that backwards?
Oh, I did it the wrong way, didn't I?
Yeah.
Well, you're gonna have to, we'll get it.
Fish bag quality, just don't behave.
Alright, son, what we got going on here?
Just what I did again. Don't even look at the back. Don't just what I did again.
What'd you do again? See? He got teriyaki, boy, I tell you. Don't get that on my fortune cookie. Panda Express. Welcome to the mukbang. Welcome to the mukbang. Go on, Anthony, do your thing.
River Kennels Junior, haha.
Finley River Kennels Junior right there. We fixing to get into this. Open that sack.
Watch this. Watch this.
Wow. This boy really gonna do this? Yeah, because Jacob gave us plenty of sauce. You be wasting that sauce that old Jacob gave us. That boy just poked a hole in there. Look at that. Didn't waste a drop.
Well, I might waste a drop, but not most of it.
You got any on your face?
Not yet.
Come on, let's get with it. We 3 minutes in the mukbang. You ain't took a bite yet. Little Finley River Kennels Jr.
Now you gotta get all the teriyaki sauce in the bag.
You gotta get all the teriyaki sauce. You done? Put it in the sack back here. I got a little trash bag back here.
Alright, that's good.
Whew.
That's yours. Yours is heavier than mine.
Yeah, I got the three entree.
I thought this was yours. I was when I felt yours.
What do you got? Teriyaki chicken, fried rice?
Orange chicken. What's the teriyaki sauce?
Orange chicken.
I love teriyaki.
Let my people look at that.
Want a bite? I'll give y'all a bite.
Alright, we gotta get a fork. What?
Oh, what's that? We forgot forks.
I just dropped my fork. Here's you some teriyaki sauce.
Yeah, I like teriyaki sauce. I've actually drank teriyaki sauce.
I got chow mein, 2 things of Beijing beef. We went in there and it was kind of closing, so we got teriyaki chicken, y'all.
But they still took care of us.
They sure took. Jacob took care of us really well. So Jacob's boss, Jacksonville, Texas, Panda Express. You need to make sure you get that boy a raise. Everybody, all of my people know that I'm in the food service business. I'm a manager for Sonic.
Oh, they already know that? Oh, wow.
Yep, they all know it.
Dude, this is why I never wear good shirts.
Well, look at him.
This is why I never wear good shirts. Look what I got on my shirt.
Comment, commit, stick. You're going to be sticky now, y'all.
Dude, I'm gonna feel bad when Carter eats. Watch this.
Why is that?
Look, I got
little
teriyaki
salt,
sauce,
sure
and I got teriyaki sauce.
Come on. Get these people a bite. They waiting on a bite, y'all. Look at that rice right there. We got some Beijing beef right here. Look at that right there. I know that goes, woo. Hey, the quality on this food is banging.
Like banging
I
in the
mean-
parking lot.
For a place that's fixing to close, the quality of the food. I gotta give me some teriyaki chicken here. Are gonna make me start singing. Welcome to the mukbang.
Banging in
Welcome.
the parking lot.
To the mukbang. We banging in the parking lot. We're gonna eat all this stuff and not gonna stop. We're gonna bust a couple of rhymes and everything. Get with it, little man. Get it. Get it. Get your eat on.
That's why I never
Come
wear,
on.
That's why I never
Come
wear
on.
shirts.
That's all I don't know about that shirt. This is YouTube shirt.
I don't care.
A teriyaki chicken, y'all
Hey,
get y'all
guess
bite.
what? Carter eats like this.
Boy, Jacob put that in that. Look at that chow mein. There you go, y'all.
I put that tender loving hair on that.
Sure did, didn't she?
Who said she wanted to eat?
Oh, I don't know. I mean, delicious
Dude, it's
food
hot here.
for you.
That's hot in here.
It's hot in here.
Oh, your keys.
I
I think it too windy.
Here, they can't see me.
I'll give you a.
Why are you hot?
I don't know, cause it's food time.
I don't know what I did. Well,
It's food hot
are
like
you
me.
looking at that? So you putting it on me? You video skills are horrible.
I'm watching you.
All right, y'all. Watch this. I gotta get a bite.
Bro, they love you. This is. I don't.
Ooh, here, y'all get a bite.
Bruh, my door don't shut.
Bruh, your daddy.
I know. There you go. My door shuts. Look at y'all gonna get
Don't run
the.
now.
Look, y'all gonna get the food tour. Look, see that? Get all that up.
I'm almost gonna go in there and give old Jacob a kiss. Fixing us such a nice plate. Jacksonville, Texas. I keep wanting to say Jacksonville, Tennessee.
And there is a Jacksonville in Tennessee.
Yep, sure is.
That's a famous Jacksonville too. That's where they do all the.
So y'all in Jacksonville, Texas, y'all stop over here at the Panda Express and show old Jacob some love.
Ask for Jacob.
Ask for Jacob. He I think he got red hair.
I don't
Or
know.
it's dark brown. I'm pretty sure it's red hair.
I don't know.
I don't know. I ain't ate nothing all day.
Pretty good though.
I'm buck banging in the
Tell him Finley
parking
River
lot.
Kennel sent you.
Yeah, tell him Finley River sent you. Y'all call me by Finley. Finley River Kennel sent you. Little Finley. Get in it, man. We got about See, it's got got these onions in here, bell pepper, Beijing beef, teriyaki chicken, and I am very shocked at the quality of this food for a place that's fixing to close.
Is that good?
Is that high?
Like, it is hot.
High quality food. We spent, I don't know, $18 and something.
It is worth it.
I'm not even complaining.
Usually when they're not by the clothes, it sucks.
This is Farm Truck Friday. Mukbang. Panda Express. Y'all don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Normally I'm acting a fool, but I just want to eat.
You know what time we're gonna get home? About 1 o'clock. Well, you know what? I get to spend time with my lovely father, my one and only.
I get to spend time with one of my two sons.
One of your favorite ones.
You're not my favorite.
So Cody is.
Cody's not my favorite either.
Okay.
Y'all both are.
We both love it equally.
There you go.
I get it.
Mm-mm-mm.
You try to butter us up and say you don't. I was gonna say you don't. You dislike it equally.
Trying to buddy, alright. Well, anyway, y'all like, share, comment, and yeah, that's the first mukbang y'all see that I'm not acting a fool. I gotta eat this delicious plate. Let's show them, tell them what to do on YouTube. Comment, commit, and sticks. Come on. Alright, good. You ain't got nothing to say? Oh, you trying to. What do you got to say?
Comment, commit, and stick.
Go check out who?
Bentley River Kennels Jr.
Alright, Fossil Creek Kennels. Go check him out. That's my cousin. And I'm Finley River Kennels.
One of my favorite cousins.
Until next time, y'all. We'll see y'all later. I'm going to eat all the rest of this. Finley River Kennels, we run that track and we treat that coon and we eat. We got some pretty good raccoon hound dogs, coon dogs. We keep them hounds happy, keep them in the woods, and keep them hunters fed, y'all. That's how we do it right here. Appreciate y'all.